Ever wonder which Kraken funding method truly gives you the most bang for your buck, or gets your crypto trading ready the fastest? With so many options available, picking the right way to fund your Kraken account can feel like navigating a maze. But don't worry, we're here to cut through the confusion. Today, we're diving deep into Kraken's various funding methods, breaking down their pros and cons, from fees and limits to speed and security. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to optimize your deposits or a newcomer just starting your crypto journey, understanding these options is crucial. We'll explore everything from traditional bank transfers to instant digital wallet payments and even crypto-to-crypto deposits. By the end of this, you'll have a clear picture of what works best for your specific needs. So, let's unlock the secrets to efficient and effective Kraken funding. The landscape of Kraken funding. Kraken, as one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges, offers a wide array of funding methods to cater to a global user base. These methods generally fall into two main categories: fiat deposits, traditional currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, etc., and cryptocurrency deposits. Each category has its own set of advantages and disadvantages regarding fees, processing times, and accessibility. Fiat funding methods. When it comes to getting your traditional money onto Kraken, you've got several routes. The availability of these methods often depends on your geographical location and your verification level on Kraken. Bank transfers, ACH, SEPA, SWIFT, FPS. ACH, Automated Clearing House, for USD users. This is a popular option for users in the United States. ACH transfers are generally free for deposits on Kraken and offer a good balance between cost and speed. Deposits are often near instant, but some funds may be subject to a 72-hour or even 7-day withdrawal hold for security purposes, especially for initial deposits or larger amounts. This is a common security measure across exchanges to prevent fraud. For U.S. clients, linking your bank account via services like Plaid is a common way to facilitate ACH transfers. SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, for Euro users. If you're in Europe, SEPA transfers are your go-to for Euro deposits. These are typically free for deposits and are known for their efficiency within the SEPA zone. SEPA instant payments can be very quick, often processing funds within minutes or hours, while standard SEPA transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days. Like ACH, SEPA deposits generally don't incur direct Kraken fees, but your bank might charge a small fee for the transfer. SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. For international users, SWIFT transfers are widely used for international fiat deposits, supporting various currencies like USD, Euro, CAD, and more. While SWIFT offers broad accessibility, it tends to be slower and can involve higher fees compared to domestic bank transfers. Processing times can range from 1 to 5 business days, and both Kraken's banking partners and intermediary banks might impose charges. For instance, a USD SWIFT deposit via BankFrick might have a $3 fee, while Aetna custody might be free for larger amounts. Faster payments, FPS, for GBP users. UK residents can leverage faster payments for GBP deposits. This method is usually free and provides rapid transfers, often processed within minutes or a few hours. This is an excellent option for quick and cost-effective GBP funding. What works best for bank transfers? For domestic transfers, ACH, US, SEPA, EU, and FPS, UK, are generally the best options due to their lower fees, often free on Kraken's side, and faster processing times. They offer a reliable and cost-effective way to get fiat into your account. For international transfers, SWIFT is the primary option, but be mindful of the potential fees and longer processing times. Instant purchase options, speed and convenience at a cost. Kraken also offers methods that prioritize speed and convenience, often at the cost of higher fees. These are ideal for users who need to fund their accounts quickly, even if it means paying a premium. Debit and credit card purchases. Kraken allows you to buy crypto directly using Visa and MasterCard debit/credit cards. This method is incredibly fast, with purchases often going through almost instantly. However, the convenience comes with higher fees. Previously, Kraken's Instant Buy feature for debit/credit cards could incur fees of up to 4.8%, including a processing fee on top of a base fee for the crypto purchase. While Kraken now displays a displayed fee and a potential spread at the time of purchase rather than a fixed percentage, it's generally understood that debit/credit card purchases are among the most expensive funding methods. Digital wallets: Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal. For select regions, Kraken supports funding via digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. These methods offer similar instantaneous funding as debit/credit cards and can be very convenient for mobile users. Fees for these methods can vary but are generally comparable to, or slightly lower than, direct card purchases. For example, PayPal deposits in the US might be free on Kraken's side but could have a 72-hour withdrawal hold. What works best for instant purchases? If speed is your absolute top priority and you're willing to pay for it, debit/credit card or digital wallet purchases are your best bet. They allow you to acquire crypto almost instantly. However, it's crucial to be aware of the higher associated fees and potential withdrawal holds. These methods are best for smaller, urgent purchases rather than large, regular deposits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.